On learning management systems, which, just real quick, what systems have you worked on? Which ones would you recommend, if anything? It seems to be that's the first question that a lot of clients will come with me on, shifts when I get to, intake forms. What platform should I invest in? That's like the most critical first decision.
That is correct, Robert. So, learning management platforms, back when we started, even back when you started, Robert, right? There were not many options in the market, right? There were very few of those, right? But as and when the years passed by, there have been multiple alternatives for clients to choose from. There are, from my experience, there are what I consider 6 of those which are really popular and which are kind of preferred by clients. I mean, these are the ones which draw the bulk of the clients when it comes to learning management systems, and my experience transcends all 6 of these, right? So the 6 of these are not in any particular order. Are Kajabi, which is, I mean, you also have a system in Kajabi. You are also a user of Kajabi. Then comes LearnWorlds, ClickFunnels, Thinkific, Teachable, and Katra, right? In my opinion, these 6 are the most popular ones that currently exist in the market. And, clients, based on what they want to achieve or where they are, where they want to go, they will have a lot of questions, right, on which LMS they want to choose. But these 6 of these are the most popular ones. And, I've worked on all 6 of these platforms for our clients.
Let's cut to the chase. You're being too nice, being too polite. No, you're very genuine and sincere. Which platform do you prefer? I don't have any problem sharing that with folks. I think they'd like to know. What do you prefer? You're the one that's been under the hood. You've been digging in these things. Which is your preference? Do you have one? Maybe you don't.
I do. And the answer is so instantaneous, right? It just comes from the top of my mind. It is LearnWorlds,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It
Okay.
is LearnWorlds. If anybody who is saying this, or anybody who is going through this video, maybe who are watching the live, or maybe if somebody is seeing the recording, right? And if you are a coach, consultant, author, or maybe an enterprise, right? If you want to start selling your courses online, this comes again from my experience after working with multiple businesses for the last almost half a decade. LearnWorlds is the best platform, considering everything that it offers, considering the price point that it offers, considering its flawless support team, and considering how fast it is to get new updates out on the market and in the hands of business owners, right? There is absolutely no competition for LearnWorlds in 2024 as of today. It is my favorite platform because there are multiple reasons for it to be, right? I'll
What are they?
just
What are they? Lay it down.
I'll,
Give us 3 reasons why. Answer why. Why?
number 1, right? Built-in AI functionality. One of the most important and one of the most happening things in 2024. If you do not know, or if you're not using AI, you will miss out, right? You will not be overtaken by AI, but you will be overtaken by someone who is using AI. Does not matter who you are, does not matter what you do. If you do not use AI, right, you will go out of business in 2024. LearnWorlds is one of the very few LMS that actually implements this. Number 2, the ability to include SCORM files.
Of course, yes.
This is one of the the biggest aha moment, if anybody knows what it's.
What's that? What's that? How much time you got?
SCORM files is anything, if anybody who has gone through any course, right, you would see courses are like what? Just videos and some PDF. You go through the videos and you are done with it, right? That's the old way of doing the courses. That's the old way of creating courses. What is the new way? You create hyper interactive, gamified, challenging, your course setup where Anybody who goes through your course, they do not feel like they're just consuming a course. They feel that they are in a James Bond movie
Engaged.
and they're watching the action play out there.
Engaged. The SCORM enables us and our instructional designers and creators to create content that's truly engaging. What I mean by that is, what we mean by engaging is learner leans forward, grabs mouse, starts clicking screen, and things happen. It's like a pop-up book for adults with the right authoring software. And I'm not going to go into the boring techie details too much, but that software that we use, that Ships works with every day, is SCORM. So that it allows us to do these things, these neat interactive things. It allows us to go beyond video and copy, next button, video, copy, next button. It goes beyond that. Okay. It really makes it rock. And Learn Worlds is SCORM compatible. And that's unique. Other
That's
learning
unique.
systems in this class, they're not SCORM compatible. So it means you're left with video, copy, quiz, next, video, copy, quiz, download PDF, next. Where Learn Worlds, you can drop in some really fantastic, neat looking stuff. Sorry to interrupt you, Ships, but I want to make sure people understood that really clearly. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you are totally on point here, Robert. What I say to my clients is that if you are using the old video and PDF form of thing, right, it's just a one way wherein you have the course and you are just going through it like a one-way interaction, right? But when you have SCORM, I feel it's a two-way interaction. You do not only consume the course, but you interact with it. You provide your inputs, right?
Mhm.
Gamification, that's what people want. Nobody wants to get bored going through gobs of material that big videos of 2 hours long. Nobody wants to do that, to be honest. That's where SCORM comes in. Super interactive.
3. I asked for 3. Give us a third one.
Well, again, the third one has no competition in my opinion as of this moment. It's custom white labeled apps. Again, this term might sound technical, but here, let me break it down for you. So when anyone builds their school or business inside LearnWorlds, they get an opportunity to create their own app, right, in the name of their own company or school, right, and have it launched in Apple App Store and Google Play Store, all connected seamlessly to their LearnWorlds backend. And it is fully customized and white labeled. Nobody would understand that it is an app created by LearnWorlds, right? Your brand name will be there, and everything, all of the content that is inside your school will be available in the app. Easy to go consume with just the phone on your hand.